Hi friends, my name is Saurabh. Today I'm going to teach you the animation of the background in the page. As you can see, it is like showing like that. Everybody wants this animation in their web pages, okay? And I will teach you how to animate these pages, okay, in your website. So it is a simple code I will share to you. Okay, in the description you also see the both PNG files. Okay, this GPGs file and this is PNG files. Okay, I will share in the description. Okay, so first of all, we need to take the HTML file, okay, which I mentioned over animation wavy, okay, background, and also take one PNG file of this black ball. You can take another PNG, any image, okay, you can take in the background you want to take, okay. The second thing I take here the image of the wave, okay, it is a PNG file so that I can animate it to the code, okay. Now first of all thing you need to I mention in the folder, okay, to in folder, okay, as you can see the black ball and wave, okay, png, and then in the between folder I mentioned the html file, okay. And I will try to you can save this by default. You can save the animation wavy background, okay. You can say anything else, okay. The title I will give the animation wavy background, okay. And now uh, first of all thing you need to try this html document, okay. HTML, enter the HTML, and then you can see the ready-made code is available to you, okay. I will try to any title to give the animation wavy background, okay. You can take any title. I will take it, okay, my personally. And now you need to take in a body simple, you need to take the class, right, wavy class. You don't need to mention anything else in the dive, okay. I will take the section in between, take a dive, sorry, dive, okay. And remove this one, okay. And class, take the class here. Class is a wave, okay. I take the wave and then enter it, okay. And now you need to take the simple HTML CSS file, okay. There is no anything else you need to mention in the body, okay. After all you need to write the code of CSS, okay, is the only thing that you need to understand, okay. Then you can take the separately CSS file, but I will take this file in the uh, one single file, okay, in HTML file. So I will take the style here tag, and over here I mention the uh, wave, sorry, body. First of all you need to take the body should be like margin 0 and padding also 0, okay. I mention over there margin should be 0 and the padding should be 0, right. Okay, why should I take this 0 0? Because the when the animation is like that, you can see the background should be not any margin. Okay, top to bottom is no any gap between that. Okay, so that I will take this. Okay, so that's why I mentioned this code here. And then after all, I need to take a section. Okay, I mention over section tag, right. So I take this section mention on the section width should be like 100%. Okay, and the height should be like also 100 vh, okay. I mention over there, okay. And then I need to take background image, okay. Background image should be url of the black, okay, this one, okay. And the background image is like that, okay. It is a background image, okay. It is a position is relative, so I will mention over there also it is absolute image, okay. And should I take, okay, the image also folder, the directory is the same folder where I paste it, okay. You can take anywhere from image, okay. You can mention the directory, okay. I'll mention simply in quoted black ball. If you see the image name is black ball, okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, black ball jpg, right. So I mention over there black ball jpg, okay, dot jpg, okay. I mention, okay. Now you need to do, you need to take a position, right? Position right should be like relative for this. Okay, it is fixed, so that I will take it. And then background should be like, background size should be like, I will take approximately cover. Okay, you can take cover. Okay, and then you need to do background attachment. Okay, attachment should be fixed. Okay, then you need to write the section of wave class, right? Section in between wave class. Okay, I take wave. Okay, now you need to mention over there position. Absolutely. Okay, right? And then you need to take with 100%, no doubt. And then height should be like 143, should I say, right? 143, it is a height like in the bottom should be like one, like 143 might be here. Okay, might be okay. So I take a hair. Okay, the uh, height, it is, okay, height, it is taking 143 px. Okay, you can take maximum 2. Okay, it is not an issue. And then I take the bottom here should be like 0. Okay, and the top should, sorry, left should I take, right? I'm taking right, left. Okay, and the left should be like 0. And then the background should be here, the png file, right? Wave png file. So I take background url png wave. Okay, dot png, this is png file. Okay, you can see this is png file. Okay, I mention over there. And then you need to try the background. I take another animation is there over there, right? So I take animation, animate. Okay, 10 years. And then linear, infinite, right? Infinite. Yeah, mention over there. Now you can see I take the 10-second infinite, right? And then I need to try this keyword, right? To keyword, to animation, anything you need to take keyframes, right? Then animate it, right? I take the keyword, it is animate. Okay, and then I mention over there, right? And then I need to take curly bracket, and over there in the starting 0%, right? In the starting initial state should be like, initial state should be like starting from 0, right? And then 100% is over there, from 0 to 100, right? It is a okay. So I take 0%. And then, okay, I mention background position, right? The background position will take 0%. Okay, and then the 100% should be uh, right, like 1000 background position, 1360. Okay, 1660 px. Okay, I mention over there. Okay, I save it, and you can see. uh, okay, I will open this folder. Okay, the file, you can see it is like, okay, 1 minute. Okay, you can see it is showing like that, moving, right? One animation. Okay, and after all, I need to do, I think I should take, right? In the animation you can see there is 3, right? And I need to, I only take the single right one, so I need to take again the 2, right? Okay, I will copy this one and paste it. Okay, same it. Okay, and then paste it. And then I need to take this double one, right? And it one, right? After, before, right? I need to take, right? I will take this before should be like, I want to take a 3, right? Here you can, if you see in the background, it is 1, right? 1 1 2 3, right? So I take single one. Now I need to take double, right? Then after, before, I need to same thing you need to mention over there, no need to change over here. Okay, and then you need to just change here, the bottom is there, right? You need to take here top, right? Okay. Now it is taking to top, and then the opacity should be changed. Okay, we'll check opacity. Okay, I will take opacity for before is 0.4. Okay, you can take 0.3, anything else. Okay, no need, no, not an issue. Okay, and the background should be like position should be absolute, right? You need to take position absolutely. I take already, and then you need to take it reverse, right? You need to take it reverse, right? So animate reverse keyword. Okay, reverse take, and then it is save. Okay, infinitely save. Okay, and you need to frame again it. You need to mention over there again. Okay, mention reverse. Okay, I will take it here reverse. Just you need to copy this one and cut this one and then paste here, and then here take 0. Okay, and then save it. You can see the animation background now. Okay, I think, is there anything else? Okay, okay, you need to take the content is null, right? Here should be content null. Okay, sorry, null should be there. Okay, and then height width is correct, and position is also absolute, and top or left is 0, right? Opacity is 0, right? Background should be like URL is correct, and then save it. Okay, now you can see this showing to see, right? It is reverse and it is forward, right? Okay, and now you can take the third one is after. Okay, I will take the third one also. Okay, copy this and just paste it over here. Okay, the third one should be like I will just change the slide of opacity. Okay, I will check the opacity. I will change, and any other things is it is okay. Okay, and then you need to take is 20 seconds. Okay, will take 20 seconds. Okay, and it is not, it should be like reverse. It I will take it animate. Okay, and then I will save it, and then you can see third one is appear to you. Okay, as you can see it is not showing. Okay, I'm so sorry, I need to take here after. Okay, okay, save it, and then then you can see third one is showing to you. Okay, right, same it is like said that, right? Okay, thank you for the watching this video. Have a nice day to you. Okay, please subscribe to channel my, and likes, comment and share to my video. Okay, thank you for the watching this video. Have a nice day.